Hi everyone, today I'll show you how you can make your personalized AI workflow to write your blogs for you in your voice. So I made this one on Gumloop. I love this platform. It's super powerful and it's free to try. No, this is not an ad. I just really like the platform. So once you go here, create your account, and then you'll be taken to this page, or actually you'll be taken to a page before that, and you can click start create your template from scratch. They also have lots of templates that you can actually use as well. I will actually send you or paste the link for this exact workflow so you don't have to build it yourself. But I actually recommend trying to build it yourself if you want to use how to learn it, because there are some intricacies to it just to get used to it. So for starters, I'll just walk you through the flow. The first block I have in here is the Slack message reader, and I have this as the trigger to activate my workflow. Okay, so what does that mean? This means I've connected my Slack to it, specifically this channel. So whenever there's a message sent in this channel, this will get activated and then it will start running. That is the activation. Right away, it's connected to my Perplexity block and it will start researching the message, so the blog topic that's sent in my Slack. Simultaneously, I have my Google Docs part of this workflow and this doc, which is my brand guidelines for my blog. You can make this custom as you want. I actually have a few of these. This one is not as in depth, but this is what the workflow is going to use to make sure the blog is in my voice. And from there, we have a combined text block. So one of them is the brand guidelines, which is this Google Doc. And the second part is the research. So what combined text is doing is everything Perplexity researches, it's going to combine along with this. So then it will go into our Ask AI block that will now basically use AI to write the blog with the research and the brand guidelines. And I have the prompt in here. Oops, keeps moving. Given the blog post, please generate one. Oh, sorry, that's the title, but this is a blog post generator where the combined text is going through. So it's going to create the blog for me, and you get to choose which model you want. I just kept it as 4.1 mini. Simultaneously, I also have the blog post title being generated through AI. So through here, it's going. Like I said, I have a few of these. I have one that's more in depth that uses SEO generated words. Like, you can really make these workflows as complex as you want. That one's super useful as well. And I can maybe share that next time. So then from here, I forgot to show this block. So Perplexity also has the citations. So what I did was I created a list here of the citations. So I have two inputs I can take from Perplexity, the response and the citations list. I put the citations list here, and you'll see why. I want to cite the sources in this blog. So combined text is now, again, combining multiple outputs. One is the actual blog itself, and response 2 is the blog title. And 3, it's the citations. And I only put a title for citations because there's already a title for the blog and there's going to be headings within the blog itself. Use that to now put it into Blog Writer. And what else do I have going in there? So the reason I generated the title separately is also because Google Docs needs it. So I have two outputs leaving out of the blog post title. One is going into Google Docs. One is going for the combined text of all together, what it's going to look like in Google Docs. So have the title here and then the combined text of title, blog, and citations. And I have it in HTML format. So then from there, it's going to be in my Google Docs, which is great, but I also want a Slack notification once it is sent there. So the message is just the doc link. And so this disclaimer, make sure you've invited Gumloop to the app channel you want to send the message to. Along with that, you also need to first connect your apps. So you need to connect Google Docs with your Google Docs account, and same with Slack. And from here, I'm going to run this. Okay, I had to change it and save. Run. And here it'll show you exactly what's being done. Already, these inputs were being read. Perplexity search is quick. Now the AI is currently generating the blog. This is taking the most amount of time. And wow, here we go. 28 seconds. Now let's go into Slack to see what we got. Right here, got this link. Okay, and we got my fully fledged blog out. So one thing is, I was just playing around with this. I didn't format the prompt to avoid this. And I personally don't mind because I still will go make some edits to my blog. Oh, and another thing, I didn't make this a heading, so that needs to be fixed. But other than that, you have a full blog here. Hope this was helpful, and please let me know if you have any questions or if you make your own iteration of this. I'd love to see it.